Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this session we're excited to introduce you to one of Python's most powerful and versatile data structures, the list. Lists are a cornerstone of Python programming, allowing you to store, organize, and manipulate collections of data with ease. Whether you're handling a simple list of numbers or working with complex data sets, Python lists provide the flexibility and functionality you need to succeed. Get ready to learn how to create, access, and modify lists along with some tips and tricks to make your coding more efficient. Let's dive into the world of Python lists and see them in action. Python lists are ordered, mutable collections that can hold any data type. They're versatile for organizing data and essential for solving various problems from simple storage to complex computations. This guide covers Python lists, their use cases, and provides detailed examples. We'll explore what Python lists are, their importance, and various use cases. Additionally, we'll look at examples of creating, accessing, and modifying lists. Python lists are defined using square brackets with elements separated by commas. They're ordered, meaning the order of the elements is preserved. Lists are mutable, allowing elements to be added, removed, or changed. They're also dynamic, meaning they can grow or shrink in size as needed. Here's an example of a list containing integers, a string, and a floating point number. Lists are versatile tools in data handling. They group related data, iterate over elements with loops, and allow dynamic operations. They store computation results and represent multidimensional data through lists of lists. Here's an example of how to create a list of fruits in Python. Indexes in Python programming start from 0 for the first element. Negative indexes count from the end. Lists provide the capability to update elements directly within them. Here's an example of updating a single element. Here's an example of how to add an element to an array in Python. Here's an example of how you can remove an element from a list in Python using the method that is described in the code. Slicing in Python allows you to extract sublists from a list. It's useful for manipulating lists and provides an efficient way to handle list data. Here's how you can iterate over a list using a for loop in Python. This code example demonstrates how to check membership in a Python list. Python has a built-in sort mechanism for lists. This code demonstrates how to use it. List comprehension offers a concise method to create new lists from existing ones. It reduces code length, enhances readability, and improves efficiency. Examples include basic syntax and common applications. Nested lists are used to represent 2D arrays or grids efficiently. Here's a list of common methods for lists. These include append, remove, pop, sort, reverse, and length to check the length of an index, and count to count the number of elements in the array. Mastering Python lists allows you to write efficient, readable, and maintainable code. They offer versatility for handling simple and complex data structures and provide necessary functionality for various tasks. In summary, Python lists are powerful, flexible, allowing dynamic data storage and manipulation. They support basic operations like adding and removing elements, as well as advanced techniques like list comprehension and nested lists. Python lists are essential for solving many programming challenges. Well, that's a wrap for our introduction in lists in Python. Today we explored how lists are a powerful and versatile way to store and manage collections of data. From creating and accessing elements to modifying and manipulating lists, you've gained foundational skills to work with one of Python's most essential data structures. Well, thank you for joining us at Destin Learning. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials and tips. Keep practicing, keep coding, and I'll see you in another video soon. Happy learning.